Hello, and welcome to the DME Mold Change and Mold Maintenance podcast for Fakuma 2021. This podcast will demonstrate how you can reduce your costs while increasing productivity during mold changes and maintenance. Mold change and maintenance. The key facts. Production changes in injection molding need to be fast, easy, and getting new parts as soon as possible. Mold maintenance should be done periodically, should be done as easily as possible, cost effective and predictive. Why making quick changes is relevant for you. It encourages lean manufacturing, employee development, increasing returns, quality improvement and business growth. Fast project change. In injection molding, production runs are shorter and changes need to be fast. So this means quick material change and a quick mold change. Material change. Critical areas that may be difficult to clean. They are in the injector, in the mold, and depending upon the material, whether it's reprocessed or organic pigmented. The areas are the barrel wall, the flights, the check ring, and the nozzle area. What action to take to clean it all? The solution is FreshStart MC2. MC2 has a high Reynolds number as per the process and ingredients, increases turbulent flow into the nooks and crannies in areas of low flow, has efficient removal of contamination in your screw, cylinder, sprues, manifolds and hot runners. FreshStart. Why should you purge with FreshStart? It will increase your production, reduce your scrap and rejected parts, reduce your waste, increase your speed of material changes, increase the speed for colour changes, increase your revenue and also your profitability. It is ideal for effective elimination of resins, pigments and contaminants, quick colour changes, clean sprues, manifolds, hot runners and other channels with reduced space. It's not abrasive. It's valid for a wide range of materials. There's no change in your process parameters and FreshStart can stay in the cylinder by turning the machine off. It is safe, non-abrasive and non-hazardous purging solution. It has safe ingredients according to FDA 21 CER, formulated to facilitate waste-free use of purging solutions. Quick mold changing system, BAKRA. Changing molds like in the old days? No. Reduce your costs by using DME's BAKRA system. Yes. Maintenance free, self-locking, bayonet type quick action clamping system suitable for molds up to 1,000 kilos. Multi-purpose application suitable for all horizontal and vertical injection molding machines with 2 or 4 tie bars, as well as barless design up to approximately 1,800 kilonewtons. Quick mold change without requiring additional tools. Mold maintenance. The goal is to increase preventative actions and decrease corrective ones. Solutions, preventative maintenance, drive mold cooling up, much more than cooling circuit cleaning. Maintenance in general, the right tools and the right support, off-the-shelf spare parts. Cooling issues. Identify the problem. Scale and corrosion lead to constricted channels, flow rate deterioration, lower heat removal in the mold, cooling efficiency drops, cycle time increases, production output drops, and therefore you're losing profit. Effects of decreased cooling. In a new mold with a 10 mm water channel, after being put into production, this could reduce to 8 mm. There are two effects of the deposit of scale and rust. The diameter of your channel decreases. Flow rate equals flow speed times area. A 10 litre per minute channel could reduce to 6.4 litres per minute. Just a 1 mm layer means your 46% flow rate reduction. Thermal conductivity of scale and rust is usually 10 to 80 times lower than that of steel. Because of their low heat conductivity, deposits plus corrosion can greatly affect the cooling within the mold and causes a production decrease, longer cycles and more waste, dimensional problems with the parts coming from different cavities, adjustments and corrections to the injection settings each time production is started, effects of limescale deposits on cooling time. Deposit formations mainly depends on water hardness and increases substantially on temperatures above 60 degrees. Zones with little or no flow are more liable to have deposit and corrosion problems. Our solutions: economy range is the CleanCare machine. Top of the range is the CoolingCare machine. Both machines will easily remove scale and rust from your water channels. CleanCare is easy to install and easy to connect with a hose and air connection. CoolingCare, the process. Set up a mould in the database. Define the circuits to clean. Initial diagnosis on flow rate, leakage, pressure tests. Conduct cleaning, quantify the results. Channels are dried and data is stored. Machine summary. Diagnostics. It will give you a start point on a brand new tool and after a production run will return the mould to the same level at the push of a button. Painted cleaning action for CoolingCare versus circulating liquid for CleanCare. In one direction, then the opposite direction, then against each other. Easy to use. Each operation can be operated manually if required. Instant results. Easy to understand. Records all processes. Up to 3,000 moulds in the database for CoolingCare. Download data into a USB compatible memory device. Summary and benefits. Improved cycle time, boost production. Reduce scrap, saves cost. Better mould temperature, improves quality. Can be used with the mould in or out of the machine, so it's flexible. Automatic. Once set up, you can walk away and leave it to run. Able to detect internal leaks as well. The right tools for maintenance. DME service table. Easy manipulation enables smooth mould assembly and disassembly. Designed to quickly and safely open moulds. Provides access to all parts of the mould for assembly. Rotates 360 degrees for easy access to each half of the mould, indexing every 90 degrees. The right tools for maintenance. DME polishing. From consumables to top of the range ultrasonic polishing machines to support you in all steps of hand polishing, machine polishing, hand pieces, pneumatic grinders, polishing lines and stones, polishing brushes. Many years of expertise, the whole polishing solution from one supplier. Recap for mould change and maintenance. Production changes in injection moulding need to be fast, easy, and getting new parts as soon as possible. Mould maintenance should be done periodically, should be as easy as possible, cost effective and predictive. DME solutions, FreshStart for purging, BAKRA for quick mould changes. DME solutions for mould maintenance, CoolingCare and CleanCare, service table, polishing, standard and special spare parts. Thank you for listening to this podcast and please contact us at the European head office or connect with us via LinkedIn or Facebook.